What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another use what you have in your makeup collection. This is just so that we can get out some of our products and show them some love. Honestly, I haven't really bought too many makeup products because I have so many. I'm just like, I don't need another foundation. I don't need another eyeshadow palette. I have so much stuff already. Like, let's just use the stuff that we have. Let's not just keep buying makeup just because we can. Let's use up what we have. I was so excited to sit down and film today because I haven't sat down and filmed a makeup video in a while, and I just wanted to hang out and have some girl time with you. So I shopped my stash and pulled out all of these goodies. Go shop your stash and let's hang out and do some makeup together. Okay, so I got you nice and zoomed in, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off with this Juvia's Place I Prime Eye Primer. I really like this because it covers all the veins in my lids. I mean, doesn't that just look so much better? And I do like to just blend it out with a brush. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this Chantico Beauty palette. This is the Hearth palette. I love this. I think it is so cute. I am in this mode right now. Anything to do with fall, I'm ready for it. So I think I'm going to start off with this cocoa shade here. So we're going to be doing like a fall look today. I have already been decorating for fall, skipping over Halloween straight into my fall decorations. I just love fall decorations. I just think they're so pretty. I love this color. That is so pretty. I feel like I haven't been on here and done a makeup video in a while, so I'm so excited to be on here filming a makeup video. Same thing for this side, just putting it in the crease and just working it up to the brow. Just love how warm this is. Okay, so switching brushes, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This one is called Element, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner. I have seen some new releases come out, especially foundation. Like, I really want to get the new LYS stick foundation to try, which I'm probably going to end up getting. I don't know yet. I really want to start using up some of the makeup that I have. Like, I have so much makeup that I just really want to use up some of the stuff that I already own. Like, there's no sense in like buying all of this extra stuff when I have like 20 foundations to use. Like, I don't really need another one just to try it, you know what I mean? I'm sure the new Patrick Ta foundation is going to be amazing too, but that one is a bit pricey. That one's like 58 bucks. The LYS is like 25, so way more affordable. I feel like everything just costs an arm and a leg anymore, which is another reason why I'm like, just use some of the makeup that you have. You don't need to go buy any more. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This shade is called Amber, and I'm just gonna take my finger and apply that. Took off my acrylics and I've just been using press-ons. I can use my finger now when I apply makeup, which is really nice. Usually I cannot do that because my nails are too long. So while I have short nails, I'm gonna use them. Just going back in with that dark brown shade. Then I'll go back in with a little bit of that cocoa shade. And then I will just clean up with a makeup wipe. I love it. It's looking so cute. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my P. Louise Moisturizer. Foundation just sits so much better on your skin when it's moisturized. P. Louise moisturizers are so nice underneath of makeup because they absorb so quickly into the skin, but they still leave your skin feeling hydrated. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Essence Stay and Play gel eyeliner. This one is in the shade But First Espresso. It's just the dark brown one. I love these. I think they last so nicely in your waterline. They're pigmented. They're nice and creamy, so they don't tug on your waterline at all. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this P. Louise Partner in Pink Primer. This is a really nice moisturizing primer too. For foundation, I'm going to use my House Labs foundation. I haven't used this one in forever. Honestly, it is not my favorite foundation. I got it in the shade 110 Light Neutral. I hope it isn't too light. Hopefully it'll match. I don't have any self-tanner on right now. Oof, might be a little white. But we can make it work adding in bronzer. I'm using just a dry sponge. This one's from e.l.f. This foundation is not bad. I just feel like for the price point, I don't care for it that much. Yeah, the shade now is still good. I feel like I like the Morphe foundation way better than this one, and it's half the price. I feel like the one from Morphe gives you a little more coverage, but it still has that skin-like look because it is a thinner formula still. I felt like my expectation of this foundation was so high. Maybe that's why I don't love it. I don't know. I just feel like for the price point, I should love it more. This sits really pretty on the skin too. This is a very skin-like. This foundation has a lot of skincare in it, which is really nice as well. This foundation is a thinner formula, so it doesn't settle into your wrinkles, which again is really nice. For bronzer, I'm going to use this one from Milani today. I love this bronzer. It is such a good cream bronzer from the drugstore. I mean, look at that. This one is in the shade Hey Honey. This formula just blends into the skin so nicely. It doesn't pick up your foundation underneath, which is really nice as well. For cream blush, I'm going to use this one from Rude. This one is in the shade Fruit Tart. But it's just really pretty, like burnt orange color. I thought would go really good with the eyes today. I'm going to try to keep it light. I don't want to add a lot because this is pigmented and it's bright. That is pretty, and it goes with the eyeshadow so well. For concealer, I'm going to be using this NYX Fix Stick. I really like these. These are super creamy. They glide on. This one is in the shade Vanilla. Just gives you a nice bright under eye. I love a good bright under eye. And I also think I'm going to go in with a little bit of liquid highlighter today. I usually never use liquid highlighter. I feel like, why not? Oh, I might have added a little much. Spread it over here. This is the one from LYS, and to be honest, I don't know if I necessarily love this liquid highlighter. I do know that they have a highlighter that's in like the stick, like their bronzer, or they have blush and highlight as well. I don't know if that's any better, but I don't know. This one I feel like is a little... It's okay. It's very subtle. You know me. If you've been with me, you know I love a blinding highlighter. So I like something with a little more to it. But this isn't, it's not bad. It's nice. It's pretty. But I like something that's just a little more blinding than this. So now I'm going to set my makeup with the Morphe powder. This is in the shade Brightening Pink. I'm just going to tap it off on my hand and then set under the eye. This powder is so nice. I really like this powder a lot. It's really brightening. It does not look too pink. It just gives you that nice brightening effect. It blends into your blush so nicely. I love how pink powder blends into blush. Same thing for this side, just setting. And this powder does not seem to dry out my under eye too bad. Okay, so for powder bronzer, I'm going in with this one from Basic Beauty. I like this because it has 3 different shades in here, so you can kind of customize to what shades you need. And I'm just going to kind of mix all 3 shades, honestly. But this sits so pretty on the skin. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Monster blush. This one is in the shade 6. I'm just going to tap over top. That looks so pretty. I love that. For highlighter, I'm going to use this loose highlighter from Artist Couture. This one is in the shade Illuminati. Oh, look at how pretty. And this you can build up to make as bright as you like. And I like a bright highlighter. Okay, so let's go in and finish the lower lash line. I'm going to go into this dark shade first. Put that on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go into this cocoa shade. Same brush, just adding that cocoa shade right under it. And I just feel like when you do that, it just helps like tie the eye in. I don't know, I just like it better when I add 2 different shades on the lower lash line. I feel like you can tell such a difference. I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter. Of course, use that on the brow bone. And this highlighter is so pretty. I need to get this out more often. A little on the inner corner. So now I'm just going to curl up my lashes. And I'm going to be using 2 different mascaras today. So I'm going to use e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. I'm going to coat that on the top lashes first. I just feel like this gives your lashes some volume. I do not like how big the wand is for the lower lashes though. I just feel like that mascara looks so good though. And then for the lower lashes, I'm just going in with a little bit of the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. I'm going to go in with my Oma Beauty Brow Gel. And then for lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Cold Brew. These literally just glide on the lips so nicely. Now I'm going to go in with my Kylie Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Close. This I really feel like is such a good fall shade. And they smell so good. It matches the eye so well. Then I'm going to go back in and reline the lip. And then last but not least, I'm going to finish off the makeup look with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury. I think I'm also going to add a little bit of this lip gloss from LA Colors. This is in the shade Happiness. This looks so cute. I love it. It looks like I'm definitely ready for fall time. I'm loving all the warm tones. But as always, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.